Ever clicked on a cell in Excel and saw a drop-down list, but had no idea how to remove it? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you a quick and effective way to remove drop-down lists in Excel using real-world examples. Let's jump right in. Let's start with some real data. Imagine you're managing an employee form like this one. The department and status columns have drop-down lists to help users select standardized values. But now, you want to remove those drop-downs. The most direct method, using the Data tab. Click on the cell with the drop-down. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click Data Validation. Or, use the keyboard shortcut Alt+D+L to open the data validation window even faster. In the window that appears, click the Clear All button. Press OK. And just like that, the drop-down list is gone, but the value remains. You've successfully removed it. So whether you're fixing a single cell or cleaning up an entire form, now you know exactly how to remove drop-down lists in Excel. If this helped you, do me a favor, smash that like button, share this with your Excel-loving friends, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips. Thanks for watching.